Hey guys, my name is Jasmine and I'm here to hack Beauty's channel. So Sergio exposes all these girls as gold diggers by using his fancy checks and cars and whatnot. So I'm here to show you guys and him that guys can be gold diggers as well. So hope you enjoy. Yeah? No? Are we good? What are we doing? Hey.
What's up?
Hopefully I'm not bothering you or anything.
Oh, no, you're fine.
But I usually never do this, and I thought you were really cute. Do you mind if I have your phone number?
My number?
Yeah, like I said, I usually never do this, so I
one of your friends, like, tell you to come over here?
No.
Like, girls usually don't just come up to guys and...
Yeah,
hey,
well, you know, I'm different.
yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I'll give you my number. That's fine.
Wait. Before you put your number in my phone, there's something I have to confess to you. It's not easy to say, but you don't mind if I sit next to you, right?
Oh, yeah, you're fine. Come on, here.
I've never really tell this to anybody, and, you know, I'll make an exception for you because, you know, I see us, you know, being something in the future.
Oh, yeah? You're not a killer, are you?
No, no, nothing like that. No, I promise. I'm nothing like that.
You say it.
I was born a man.
You're what? What is that?
Can I see your hand? I was born a man.
Whoa, hey, what the fuck?
What?
I'm good.
What do you mean you're good?
I don't roll that way. I like girls.
I am a girl.
No, you haven't.
Okay, that's the only thing that's different. I mean, I can make it. We can make it work.
I'm good.
No, we can make this
Yo,
work.
all right, look. I'm good. All right, I appreciate you coming up to me. It takes a lot of nerves, but I don't roll that way. Thank you.
No, we
good.
can, dude.
All right.
Can you answer this for me really quick, please?
Why?
It's a restricted.
Why would I answer it for you?
It's restricted. I don't usually answer restricted calls. Please,
so,
just.
Hello? Yeah. Who's this? Yeah, she's right here. Oh, yeah, sure. This is for you.
Hello?
Hello, Jasmine.
Yes?
Hey, it's Daniel, agent.
Oh, hey, what's up?
I got some amazing great news, okay? So, everything looks good from the video. We got the mansion. We got the nice cars. Lead of the dancer is going to be Chris Brown. And Justin Bieber said he's willing to do some vocals with you. Here's the best part, okay? As soon as we hang up, I got your advance up to $100,000.
Oh, my gosh.
As soon as we hang up, you're going to have $100,000 wired to your account. And once this video is finished filming and produced, we're going to have $2 million in your bank account.
Oh, my gosh. Thank you so much.
It's a lot of money. Okay, look, okay, I gotta go, but check it, celebrate, have some fun. Don't get too wasted, though, because I need you here bright and early tomorrow, 11 a.m., okay?
All right.
Have a good one, Jasmine.
Thank you so much.
We'll see you here.
Bye.
Nice.
Oh my god, did you freaking hear that, dude? Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, dude.
What do you do? Do you sing or something?
Well, yeah, something like that. I do a little rap, I sing. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna go to LA because I'm doing this video. Do you want to come with me?
To LA tomorrow?
Yeah, like, well, you know, maybe before that we can go, like, grab some breakfast or something, if you don't mind.
Yeah, I'm down.
Are you?
I'm
Yeah?
down. Yeah, I'm down.
All right, well, I mean, you want to...
That's crazy. Send me a text or actually give me a call. So I see your number.
Yeah, totally, I will.
Yeah, that's cool.
So tomorrow at 9:30,
okay.
around there, yeah.
If anything, I'll be ready by 8, just in case, you know?
Okay. Yeah. All right. Holy fuck.